Odisha, the land where dawn rises in serenity, sings the rhapsody of timeless beauty, and pays reverence to the Holy Trinity. That's Odisha, filled with redolence of divinity. A subtle melange of tradition and modernity, where the Konark Sun Temple showcases incredible architectural ingenuity, where the acoustic walls of the Puri temple echo sacred sanctity. When the Holy Trinity emerges from their sacred abode, the ether reverberates with Odissi mudras and Gita Govinda, an eternal ode. The three colossal chariots roll forth on the Bodadanda road with effusion of countless emotions in a surging mode. Deluge of devotees throng to Puri to welcome aboard during the Pohandi Bijay of our beloved Lord. Tears of devotion wrap our hearts with rapture. Only heaven knows the tide of emotions for our Supreme Lord. The Konark Sun Temple, an architectural marvel, where intricate carvings silently unravel the knots of cosmic space and time's endless travel. The temple city Bhuvaneshwar echoes the untold verses of umpteen temple cores. The Khandagiri and Udayagiri caves murmur the ascetic rituals like surging waves. The Lingaraj temple boasts of architectural dexterity with the worship of Harihara as its supreme deity. The temple's grandeur, along with its ornate carvings, titivate its profound divinity. The pristine beaches of Gopalpur, the resplendent ikat weaves of Sambalpur, the mesmerizing Patachitra of Raghurajpur, the quintessential coffee of Koraput, the majestic waterfall of Duduma, the leaning temple of Huma, the beguiling waters of Chilika, the mass nesting of olive ridleys at Gahirmatha and Rushikulya, the tranquil mangroves and lurking crocodiles of Bhitarkanika, the spellbinding serenity and teeming fauna of Satkoshia. That's Orissa, the ultimate panacea. The land that endured squalid Kalapahad's ruthless carnage, witnessed Chandashoka transmute into Dharmashoka sage, bemoaned the martyrdom of Baji Raut at a tender age, yet stands tall in the face of cyclone's fiery rage. That's Orissa, the land of timeless tale.